Hey guys, welcome to a part 2. I'm sorry, just saying it like that. It happened. Bye Eli, what I forgot the monkey. Alright, Eli's now just getting off. We're chilling right here. Just gonna let him get off. Guys, it's a beautiful sunny morning. Bye Eli. Eli's gonna get a monkey. Hey, Corey. Look at that, his head is. Get to the chopper. Hi. Charles. You're gonna go on YouTube. You meant to go on YouTube. What do you wish for on YouTube? What do you wish for? Eli said he wanted a monkey. That's what Eli said. He wanted a monkey. A lion? I'm not gonna buy that big of a cat. I don't even have enough money to afford a lion. I'm getting me a squirrel monkey. I'm getting me a squirrel monkey. I'm gonna get one of those.